Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Today we will write an essay on my favorite hobby. Let's start. For more essay please visit to www.schoolessay.in, and if you like this essay video, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share this video. My hobby is reading. I read storybooks, magazines, newspapers and any kind of material that I find interesting. This hobby got started when I was a little boy. I had always wanted my parents to read fairy tales and other stories to me. Soon they got fed up and tired of having to read to me continually. So as soon as I could, I learned to read. I started with simple ABC books. Soon I could read simple fairy tales and other stories. Now I read just about anything that is available. Reading enables me to learn about so many things that I would otherwise not know. I learned about how people lived in bygone days of magic and mystery. I learned about the wonders of the world, space travel, human achievements, gigantic whales, tiny viruses and other fascinating things of our world. The wonderful thing about reading is that I do not have to learn things the hard way. For example, I do not have to catch a disease to know that it can kill me. I know the danger so I can avoid it. Also, I do not have to go deep into the jungle to learn about the tiger. I can read all about it in a book. Books provide the reader with so much information and facts. They have certainly helped me in my daily life. I am better equipped to cope with living. Otherwise I would go about ignorantly learning things the hard way. So I continue to read. Besides being more informed about the world, I also spend my time profitably. It is indeed a good hobby.